Hi, I'm Tristan Banks, and today I'm reading Otir's Magic, written by Dian Onasis, illustrated by Gery Adams. Ken wants to buy a magic wand, but he doesn't have enough money to buy the wand he wants. Ken can only buy the other magic wand. This magic wand is called Otir. Ken cannot wait to try his magic wand. Ken really wants to have a toy train, so he says the magic spell to the wand. I want to have a toy train. Azagaboom! No. Something is wrong. Ken wants a train. So why is he given ribbons? Is it because Ken's spell is unclear? Ken tries again. This time, he shouts loudly. I want a ball! Azagaboom! Ken is shocked. His body is buried in a pile of candies? Ken wants to try again. This time, he whispers, I want a magic book. Azagaboom! Oh no, Otir. Ken needs a magic book, not thunder. The rain gets heavier. I want an umbrella! Azagaboom! No, Otir. Ken needs an umbrella, not scoops. Ken wonders, why does Otir always mishear the spells? Aha! Maybe this is why. Then, click-tack! Now Otir is smooth and straight. Ken tries again. I want a flying broom. Azagaboom! Ken closes his eyes. He seems to hear kites. Ken is relieved. Finally, Otir can hear the spell, although the flying broom also has a tail of kites.